What's up, guys? So
No, I do the recording.
The girls are at camp, and me and Kayson are about to do farm chores.
I want to. There's not a video.
It is a video.
You're saying the wrong thing.
Videoing.
You just start them feeding them.
Yep. Start with the girls. Hello.
I'm gonna go to saying $0. Can't say $0.
Living the life. Must be nice. Got the chicken food.
If we both die, we don't have any more chicken.
All right, let's go take the chicken. You're gonna be a YouTuber and you're gonna be famous, huh? Walking. Hello, chickens and turkey. Are you hungry? Look at our amazing aesthetic gate door with all the zip ties. Go dump it where Raven is. There you go. Mr. Pete, come on. Hi, Fin. Hi, Fin again. Thank you, Fin.
Does Finnegan eat dirt food too?
Yes. It's all stock, or all bird stock, basically. Food. So any farm birds can eat it. It's okay.
It's gonna be our
Cats with our asparagus.
Okay, so this is our whole farm.
This is the chicken area.
This is the chicken area.
One turkey, Finnegan.
We got.
He guards out all the chickens.
Oh,
Got a little baby rooster growing.
We're gonna go.
Okay, so we did the farm animals. Now we're gonna tend to the garden. And I got this shake and feed Miracle Grow. And we're just gonna apply it, sprinkle it on top, and then we're gonna water. So here we go.
Let me do some.
I'll let you do it on the blue. Shake it. Oh, damn. Ran into her.
Am I gonna do it on this one? The corn?
That's not corn. That's tomatoes and cucumber and.
There's a ladybug.
I'll let you do on that one.
You knocked the ladybug off.
We already got green tomatoes growing. See them? Oh, you better shut your mouth.
I'm gonna go up and use it.
Yeah, you were too busy throwing up. Can you do it?
Mm-hmm.
Shake just a little bit. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay.
Don't spray me. Water.
It's not reaching. There we go.
Water singing dog. Yeah. Do I have to take a shower?
No, this is your shower. There you go. See?
Shower.
Our tomato plants that are super tall.
Mommy,
Yeah.
I'm gonna be big brain for this. When you call Kaylin, you know what to do like this.
Pluto.
Big brain.
Yeah, Pluto.
You got pull up the foot all the way over there. He's like, that's too big for water. I can't stand in that.